To view real-time monitoring of your EC2 instances, first activate the Live Monitoring button. The instance is now in a running state. We'll stop it from Cloudshot and then check the AWS console to observe real-time monitoring updates. First, select EC2 instance, then right-click. You'll see the Cloudshot AWS option. Click on it, and you'll find various operation options like Start, Stop, Restart, and Terminate. In this case, we'll choose to stop the EC2 instance. When the EC2 instance turns orange, it means it's shutting down. Once it turns gray, it has completely stopped. From the Operations menu, you can start, stop, restart, or terminate your EC2 instance as needed. The instance is now completely stopped. Refresh the AWS console to observe the real-time monitoring updates. The instance is currently stopped. We'll start it from the AWS console and then check Cloudshot to observe real-time monitoring updates. Select the instance in the AWS console, click on Instance State, and then choose Start Instance to initiate it. When the EC2 instance turns yellow, it means it's pending. Once it turns green, it has completely started. Thank you for watching.